Have you ever walked outside, looked at your yard, and just sighed? Maybe it's those stubborn bald patches that refuse to grow anything but disappointment. Or maybe it's the relentless weeds popping up like they own the place no matter how many times you pull them. And let's not even talk about that one plant you thought would be cute until it turned your flower bed into a jungle invasion. We've all been there. And trust me, I've made every one of those mistakes twice. But here's the good news. Transforming your yard into something lush, polished, and practically stress-free doesn't have to involve endless digging, back-breaking upkeep, or plants that get out of control. In today's video, I'm going to show you 8 fast-growing ground covers that fill space beautifully, behave themselves, and actually solve some of your biggest landscaping headaches. They're low-maintenance, non-invasive, water-wise, and yes, family and pet-friendly too. This is Garden Homes, where your dream yard becomes doable. Whether you're tackling a slope, refreshing a shady corner, or just want to finally ditch that patchy lawn, you're in the right place. If you enjoy real-world gardening tips that don't feel overwhelming and you like your advice honest, tested, and beautiful, go ahead and hit subscribe and tap the bell. Don't forget to like, share with your garden group, and comment below with your favorite ground cover or the one you're excited to try next. Let's dig in. Ground cover 1. Blue Star Creeper. I still remember the first time I saw Blue Star Creeper weaving its way between flagstones on a neighbor's path. It looked like something out of a garden fairy tale, tiny sky blue flowers blooming in a perfect green mat, soft enough to walk on but tough enough to stay beautiful week after week. This little wonder is a ground cover superstar. Its fine textured foliage stays low and lush, and from spring through early summer it bursts into delicate star-shaped flowers that add charm without screaming for attention. It's fast-growing but polite. Quickly fills in gaps without leaping into places it doesn't belong. Blue Star Creeper thrives in full sun to part shade and is hardy in zones 5 through 9. It's also surprisingly tough, tolerates light foot traffic, making it a brilliant choice between stepping stones, around pavers, or anywhere you want a soft living carpet. And don't worry, it won't choke out your prized perennials or sneak off to take over the yard next door. It knows its place and stays put. This is a Garden Home's favorite for sunny patios and pathways that need a touch of magic without the maintenance nightmare. Ground cover 2. Woolly Thyme. There's something incredibly comforting about woolly thyme. It's like the garden equivalent of a soft throw blanket. Low, fuzzy, fragrant, and absolutely delightful under. I still remember the first time I brushed my hand across a patch and caught that gentle herbal scent. It felt like walking through a secret herb garden tucked into a storybook pathway. Woolly thyme isn't just charming, it's practical too. This little perennial grows only about 1 to 2 inches tall, forming a silvery green velvety carpet that hugs the ground like it was made to be there. When it blooms in late spring to early summer, it sends up tiny lavender pink flowers that invite pollinators without demanding constant attention. It thrives in full sun and does best in zones 5 through 9, particularly in dry, well-drained soil. That makes it a dream choice for rock gardens, the edges of gravel paths, or that stubborn dry patch where grass refuses to cooperate. Even better, it's safe for kids and pets. It handles occasional foot traffic beautifully and never grows aggressively, just enough to fill space naturally without you having to play referee with your pruners. At Garden Homes, we love woolly thyme for the way it turns ordinary walkways into inviting, fragrant experiences. No weeding nightmares, just soft, sun-loving ground cover that works hard while looking effortlessly charming. Ground cover 3. Irish Moss. There's something truly magical about Irish moss. It doesn't shout for attention. Instead, it quietly transforms dull, forgotten spaces into something that looks like it belongs in a woodland fairy tale. Imagine stepping out your back door and seeing a glowing green carpet so lush, so soft it feels like it was stitched by elves. Irish moss isn't actually a moss, but it mimics one beautifully. Its vibrant, cushiony foliage spreads low across the ground, just an inch or two tall, creating a velvety surface that feels almost otherworldly. And just when you think it can't get any prettier, tiny white star-like flowers appear in late spring to early summer, twinkling against that bright green like morning dew in sunlight. It's perfect for filling gaps between stepping stones, outlining shady borders, or softening the look of pavers. It prefers part shade to full sun and thrives in zones 4 to 8, especially in moist, well-drained soil. Irish moss does appreciate a little extra care during the heat of summer. Think of it as pampering a garden diva. Keep it consistently moist but not soggy, and it'll reward you with unmatched beauty. At Garden Homes, we call this the must-have ground cover for cottage-style garden lovers. Whether you're designing a dreamy walkway or tucking magic into shady corners, Irish moss delivers visual poetry without the drama. Ground cover 4. Silver carpet Diamondia. If your yard bakes under relentless sun, the soil's like concrete and you've just about given up on grass, meet your new best friend, silver carpet Diamondia. This tough-as-nails ground cover doesn't just survive in tough conditions, it thrives. Diamondia margaretae, better known as silver carpet, earns its name with narrow silvery green leaves that shimmer subtly in sunlight and hug the ground like a tidy mat. In summer it produces small cheerful yellow flowers, but the real star here is the foliage. Bright, soft underfoot and endlessly drought-tolerant. Native to South Africa, Diamondia is tailor-made for hot, dry climates and thrives in zones. It handles poor soil, resists foot traffic and doesn't mind being walked on. This makes it a garden home's favorite for driveways, borders and especially between pavers where most plants would wither under pressure. And here's the best part. It's incredibly low maintenance. Once established, it barely asks for water, doesn't need trimming and rarely invites weeds. It spreads slowly, keeping things neat and in control. So if you're looking for a ground cover that gives you that polished modern look without demanding constant attention, silver carpet Diamondia is your go-to solution. This is your low-fuss lawn alternative, resilient, reliable and quietly beautiful. Ground cover 5. Sweet Alysum. If your garden needs a little sweetness, a bit of fragrance and a whole lot of charm, Sweet Alysum might just be the answer. This delightful ground cover earns its name with clusters of tiny flowers that pack a surprisingly powerful honey-like scent, making your garden smell like springtime in full bloom. Sweet Alysum comes in soft shades of white, pink, lavender and even deep purples and blooms generously from early spring well into fall. It's a magnet for pollinators, bees, butterflies and even hummingbirds love it. You'll often hear your garden buzzing with life when Alysum is in full swing. What makes it even more lovable, it reseeds gently, never aggressively, so while it may fade after a hot spell, it often pops back up on its own when the weather cools, adding beauty without becoming a burden. This annual turned perennial in mild climates thrives in full sun to partial shade and grows beautifully in zones 2-11. It's a great companion for garden beds, container edges and especially hanging baskets where it spills gracefully over the At Garden Homes, we think of Sweet Alysum as the perfect garden neighbor. An elegant bloomer that knows how to share the spotlight. It softens edges, fills gaps and adds fragrance without elbowing other plants out of the way. Plant it once and you'll wonder how you ever gardened without. Ground cover 6. Corsican Mint. Corsican Mint is like the spa treatment of ground covers, cool, calming and oh so refreshing. Just walking past it is a treat, but the real magic happens when you step on it. Suddenly the air is filled with the crisp, clean scent of mint, like nature just handed you a breath mint for your yard. This tiny-leafed, low-growing herb forms a dense mat of bright green foliage that looks like living velvet. Hugging the ground at under half an inch tall, Corsican Mint is ideal for shaded walkways, stone paths and any quiet corner where you want to add a sensory surprise. While it looks delicate, it's quietly hard work. It spreads politely, filling in gaps and softening hard edges without trying to take over the neighborhood. It grows best in partial to full shade and prefers consistently moist soil. Hardy in zones 7-9, it thrives in cooler, sheltered spots where other ground covers might struggle. A gentle word of advice: Corsican Mint doesn't love drought, but give it a little attention, regular watering and good drainage, and it will reward you with a cooling scent and lush elegance that brings your garden to life in a completely different way. At Garden Homes, we like to say it's nature's green carpet, with a breath mint. Subtle, beautiful and always refreshing. It's one of our favorite ways to make a shaded space feel alive and loved. Ground cover 7. Golden Creeping Jenny. If your garden feels a little dull or washed out, Golden Creeping Jenny is like flipping on a light switch. This radiant ground cover boasts chartreuse gold foliage that catches the sunlight and practically glows, especially in the early morning and late afternoon. It's not just a plant, it's a garden spotlight. Golden Creeping Jenny is a fast-growing spreader that trails and tumbles in all the right ways. Whether you're lining a sunny border, covering a slope or letting it spill gracefully from a container or hanging basket, it adds bold contrast and texture. And near water, it's magic. Planted around a pond, the gold leaves reflect on the surface, doubling the visual impact. But here's the honest truth. It's a little enthusiastic. Left unchecked, it can roam more than you'd like. The key is smart placement and a gentle guiding hand. Use it where boundaries are clear, like rock-edged beds or containers, and you'll find that it looks wild but behaves mild. Thriving in full sun to part shade and hardy in zones 3-9, It handles moisture well and even tolerates occasional soggy soil. It's ideal for gardeners who want fast, bold, and beautiful without constant babysitting. At Garden Homes, we call it the instant glow-up for tired beds. One glance at those vibrant gold leaves and you'll see why. A few strategically placed patches can transform your space from plain to eye-catching in no time. Ground cover 8, Canadian wild ginger. Sometimes the most powerful plants are the quiet ones. The ones that don't scream for attention but win you over with their presence. Canadian wild ginger is exactly that kind of plant. Native to North America, this shade-loving perennial brings graceful structure and a sense of rooted calm to any woodland-style garden. With its broad, heart-shaped leaves and deep green, glossy finish, Canadian wild ginger forms a rich, low-growing carpet that looks effortlessly elegant. It spreads slowly and steadily by underground rhizomes. Never aggressive, never overstepping, just a measured, thoughtful sprawl that fills shady corners with native beauty. Though you may not see its flowers at first glance, they're hidden beneath the foliage. This plant still does essential work. It supports native pollinators, creates shelter for tiny beneficial insects, and helps anchor soil in areas where other plants struggle. It thrives in moist, rich soil and deep shade, especially in zones 3 to 8. It's the kind of plant that once you introduce it to your garden, it becomes a long-trusted friend, reliable, understated, and always useful. At Garden Homes, we see Canadian wild ginger as a shady gem that quietly earns its keep. It doesn't need to be flashy to be valuable. If you've got a tricky north-facing bed or a stretch under the trees where nothing wants to grow, this is your answer. Native, noble, and naturally stunning. Planting and care tips. When planting ground covers, spacing matters. Give them 12 to 18 inches between each plant, so they can spread gracefully. Mix in compost to enrich the soil and promote healthy root development. Water deeply, but less often. This encourages strong, drought-resilient roots. Use a light mulch layer to suppress weeds, but don't bury the stems. And here's a Garden Homes tip: invest in a soaker hose. It saves time and delivers water right where it's needed. Remember, these plants are low maintenance, not no maintenance. Give them care early on and they'll reward you with beauty, coverage, and calm without the chaos. There you have it. 8 stunning, fast-growing, non-invasive ground covers that can completely transform your yard without taking over your life. Whether you're covering a slope, refreshing a shady spot, or adding texture to a walkway, there's something here for every garden. If this video gave you some green inspiration, show some Garden Homes love. Like, share, and leave a comment below with your favorite pick or a plant you swear by. And don't forget, hit subscribe and join the Garden Homes family, where beautiful, manageable landscapes are always within reach. Until next time, keep your roots strong and your mulch fresh.